friends, my name is Catalina and I like to cook for my family and sometimes for my friends. Today I planned on cooking this new to me recipe, gnocchi, gnocchis. And while I already started to prepare them, I decided to film and to show you how I'm making this dish. So I hope you have the patience and watch me making them, and you'll enjoy it. So we have 2 starchy potatoes. These look horrible, but they're tasty. I think they're Yukon potatoes.
Press it.
Usually they have to be hot. Now what you do, you take the fork and you just and you start, breaking the potato like this. A sort of puree, but it's not puree. We put it in this bowl. We have the eggs. I'm gonna add some salt, put some turmeric, now I'm gonna put some gooey sauce. I put some pepper, and now I put this. 2 cups of flour, all purpose. For 2 eggs you need 2 cups of flour. So 2 potatoes, 2 cups of flour, and just mix it well. Mix. Okay, I think it's time for my hands to get messy, because we need to make a dough. I feel like a child. Messy kitchen is my playground. Okay, now, so I let it rest here and I take a little bit of it. Okay, the water is boiling. There's so many, but I'm sure they're gonna be good and people will enjoy them. Okay, I'm closer to the end. So I brought the water to a rolling boil and just put them in here. Can you see? Alrighty. So now we start to actually cook. We have gnocchi that are boiled and waiting, and I have here 1 onion, and I have some garlic cloves. I have pepper, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I have bay leaves, tomato paste, smoked paprika, and crushed tomatoes. So it's the content of 2 cans of tomatoes, like this one, 400 grams. So I have 2 of those here, and so I'm gonna start making the sauce. This is pretty much the same way I'm cooking the pasta. I'm gonna give you the recipe in the description box below the video. Fry the onion. If you want it to melt and become, soft, more like a sauce, You can add a little bit of baking soda. And so let's see what's happening if we do that. Let's see. And the onion becomes yellow. And I'm gonna add a little bit more. It becomes very soft, melts faster. So I learned this from Indian cuisine. I also gonna add a little bit of sugar, not much, because I don't want it sweet. I'm gonna add the whole can of tomato paste because I want a thick sauce. I added some 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This smoked paprika. I'm adding the garlic and 1 bay leaf. Now it's time to add the gnocchi. I'm showing you how I serve it. I'm gonna use some cheese that is very sharp, pecorino romano. This is how you serve it. So I think this meal, it's a good alternative to pasta. It's true, it took me around 2 hours and a half to prepare the dough, but I prepared a lot. So I made this recipe from 6 potatoes. So I used 6 eggs and 6 cups of flour. And I made, as you saw, a big pot of, and it looks very nice. You might think it's pasta, but it's not. Let me taste. It's very good. It has a nice texture. I never eat it. This is the first time I'm eating. I think if you put a sweet cheese like cheddar, it's very good. But you can use whatever hard cheese that you like. Yeah, it makes me think of pasta, but it's different texture. So you find them in store already made. You just buy them and boil them in water and make a pasta sauce and just put them together, and it's very nice meal, very fast, and it's vegetarian. So until I see you next time, please give me a like and a thumb up, and become my subscriber if you haven't done that already. Bye.